This video demonstrates how to apply filters for export and migration operation. Select one of the operation. Let's select EDB Recovery and Migration. Select EDB to PST. Click on Settings. Here you can set Include/Exclude filters based on date, subject, attachment, from, to, CC, BCC, and messages. Let's add an after date filter for the export. Then, save the changes. Load the EDB file and select the location to save the exported data. Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox and select the mailbox folders that you wish to export. Click Start Export. Export operation is in progress. Now you can check the exported report by clicking View Logs.